Hello everyone, my name is Yuri Bilast and I will help you set up your avatar for the Tangra Metaverse. Let's go. We click on settings and change avatar. And then we have the possibility to choose one of the predefined avatars. For instance, the first guy, I click on that one and I click here and I see that I have already my new avatar and I'm done. But okay, if you want to customize your avatar and make it more like yourself, so again, change avatar, and then instead of selecting a predefined avatar, I create a custom avatar. And then if I have a Ready Player Me avatar already created on the Ready Player Me site, I can use this. But for this demo, let's just go ahead and click masculine. And then I will pick a file from my computer. So here you see it already looks a bit like me. And then for instance, if I want to have another jacket or a t-shirt, I can change this here. For now, let's just keep the t-shirt. Let's maybe change the pants. Why not something like that? Then let's have a look at the shoes. Let's have a look at my skin color. I can change it if I want to. I can change this here. I can choose the hairstyle. They have quite different styles. Yeah, that's how I want this. And I will also choose my hair color. I can put on glasses if I want. If you want to use makeup, you can do that here. If you want a mask, you can select this here, or you can put something on your head if you want to. And then when you're done, you click next. I could sign up for a Ready Player Me account to be able to reuse my avatar in other places. And then if I click on the X, here I am with my new avatar. If you have questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. Looking forward to see you in the metaverse. Take care.